for Hailey's Hair Elastics. I'm currently enrolled at Florida State University and my major is business marketing. Okay, so today, using Hailey's Hair Elastics, we're gonna make a personalized party cup. So inside this box, we have instructions on how to make a personalized party cup, which should look like this. So basically the idea is that you have your own cup on you using Hailey's Hair Elastics and it will just stay on your wrist. I think it's a good idea because being that I'm in college, like there's a lot of partying and people go out and they like to have fun, obviously. But with fun, there should be safety, and I think that having this personalized cup on your wrist is kind of like really cute. And later on when you're trying to throw up, you can just throw your hair up. Okay, in order to make this personalized party cup, we're gonna choose any color of your preference from Hailey's Hair Elastics. I personally chose garnet and gold because that's FSU's colors. So to start, you're gonna wanna take a key ring and then you're going to attach it to the hair tie, like so. Okay, and you're gonna leave like a little bit more room so you can take your party cup. I already punctured this one, but what you're gonna wanna get is a hole puncher and simply just clip like so. Okay. So now we're going to take our cup and we're going to attach it also to the key ring. And there you have it. You have your very own personalized party cup.